Welcome to our YouTube series on the Circumcised Heart. In this short video, we'll explore the transformative power of faith in Christ as seen through the teachings of the Apostle Paul. The essence of true faith. Paul, in his letter to the Romans, reveals a vital truth. Being a true follower of God is not about external rituals or lineage but a transformation of the heart. The New Covenant. Discover how the New Covenant, prophesied in the Old Testament, shifts the focus from outward signs to inner renewal, ushering in a deeper spiritual transformation. Unity in Christ. Explore Paul's message of unity among believers, transcending all earthly divisions, as we find our true identity in Christ alone. Reflection and introspection. Paul's teachings encourage us to reflect on our faith, prompting us to ask if our commitment to God is merely superficial or a deep, heart-deep devotion. The power of grace. Understand that the circumcised heart is not a result of human effort alone but is empowered by the transforming grace of God's Spirit. An invitation to all. Realize that this message extends an open invitation to everyone, regardless of their background, to experience the life-changing power of faith in Christ. Living out the circumcised heart. See how embracing this concept isn't just about understanding it intellectually but living it out in our daily lives. A source of joy. Recognize that faith isn't a burden but a source of joy and fulfillment as our hearts are transformed by God's love and grace. In conclusion, the teaching of the circumcised heart is a cornerstone of Christian living, inviting us to a life of continuous growth and deepening faith. Join us on this journey as we embrace the transformative power of faith in Christ. If you were blessed, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. May the Lord richly bless you.